Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my apricot chicken filo parcels. Alright, these are quick and easy to do and taste amazing. Right, chicken breast fillet, and I'm just going to look at which way I'm going to cut this. I've got a filleting knife out, and do I want to cut that tenderloin off? No, I'm going to leave that. We can always use a little bit of extra filling in our parcels. I'm going to slice these lengthwise all the way through just like that, and each chicken breast I'm going to get 3 pieces out of that. Now keep watching this video, you'll see a really good example as to how my MS is affecting me, and especially the way my memory works. Alright, and it's a real beauty that I keep making these videos for you, that way I don't forget how to cook certain things. Alright, so we've got our chicken breast, we've cut those through just like that, and let's make up our filos. 2 sheets of filo pastry down on a board just like that, and I've got some spray oil. I'm just using a spray canola. Give that a nice spray. That's going to act like a bit of a glue and a bit of a lubricant for our pastry. Now put your breast fillet piece down just like that, and try and get it towards the end. I went a little bit too far on this first one, and here I've got some apricots, just tinned apricot halves, and we're going to put a couple of those on the inside of that chicken breast just like that. Okay, and I've got a nice little dollop of some cream cheese. Use the cream cheese of your choice. If you want to buy it in a block and cut it and put that in, go for it. The tub for me, because you can reseal it, it just lasts a little bit longer. So somehow get your hands working together, if you're like me with MS, and concentrate all of that through. Now I'm about to fold that over, and I've already made a couple of mistakes on this first one. Right, so we fold off chicken breast over the cream cheese and apricot. I'm just going to roll this up like one big spring roll. Right, I've got that chicken breast encapsulated. I'm going to put a little bit more spray oil down. Again, it acts like a glue and also gives us the nice crunchiness that we want. Alright, keep rolling that through until we end up making up a nice little pillow, right? And it should look like that. Right, I'm going to put that aside, and even though I've made that one wrong, we're not going to make the next one wrong. Right, filo, oil, breast, okay, and here we go. Our apricots, they're going down, and I've put these down the wrong side down already, and not thinking that the curved side would not slip around. Our cream cheese goes down, and going to show you where I really went wrong in just a second. Alright, so get all those aligned again, and I'm making a real meal of this, and I forgot to put my French onion soup mix in. Just buy a packet of French onion soup, put it into an old spice container, give that a shake through, and that makes a big difference to the flavour. So just buy your French onion soup powder, put a little dusting of that on. Now we're going to keep rolling these through, and my MS has actually been getting a lot worse lately, and you can probably hear that in my voice and the way I'm speaking. But anyway, we're going to continue onwards and forwards. Right, fold those up, roll those up just like that, and I made a meal of that one as well. So a normal person should be able to do this quite easily. Right, filo, oil, breast, apricot, cream cheese, French onion, fold, roll, done. Oven 180 degrees, around about 30-35 minutes, or until your chicken breast is cooked through. They're that thin, they'll cook really quick. Love to see you try and make these ones at home. I struggled, but you should not. Okay, if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment, I love reading, love responding to them, and please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get KP's Kingdom out there. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make something quick, easy, a little bit different, and a different take on a 70s classic just like this, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. I've thrown my apricot chicken filo parcels and I will catch you next time. Bye.